सेल्फ लाइगेटिंग ब्रेसेस या ट्रेडिशनल ब्रेसेस। आज मैं आपको बताती हूँ इन दोनों के बीच क्या फ़र्क है विथ रेटिंग्स। 4 factors, 2 braces, 1 honest verdict. Let's go. Hi, I'm Dr. Anjali Mohan and I'm here to make orthodontics seem a little less scary and a lot more interesting. Factor 1, speed. So self-ligating braces में ना they have a built-in clip, rubber or metal ties are not required. Because of that, the friction being less, speed with self-ligating braces tends to be a little more compared to conventional traditional braces. So final verdict, self-ligating braces 8.5 on 10, traditional braces 7 on 10. Factor number 2, comfort. Self-ligating braces tend to be a little bit more comfortable because there are no additional rubber bands or metal ties. So my final verdict, self-ligating braces 9 on 10, traditional braces when it comes to comfort 7 on 10. Factor number 3, ease of brushing. So with self-ligating braces, the bracket size is a little smaller. Smaller bracket size matlab you have more area of the tooth that can be cleaned easily. So my final verdict when it comes to ease of brushing, self-ligating braces 8 on 10, traditional braces 7 on 10. Even if you have self-ligating or traditional braces, cleaning with interdental brush is not optional. You have to make sure you clean around your braces properly with interdental toothbrush. Pain after activation. Self-ligating braces 6 on 10 and traditional braces 8 on 10. Here, lower score means that the pain is less. So actually lower score in this case is a better thing. So my overall verdict, self-ligating braces tend to be a little better when it comes to comfort, ease of brushing, also the discomfort after activations. Generally, they are better suited, especially in cases where there's a lot of crowding, lot of overlap between the teeth. It's definitely an upgrade, but ultimately the decision whether to choose traditional braces or self-ligating braces in your case depends on your orthodontist's diagnosis.